Okay, this is a homework video for 5.2.43, and the question is as follows. A university conducted a survey of 404 undergraduate students regarding their satisfaction with student government. Alright, the results of the survey are within the table I have graphed. It's out of focus. You definitely get in focus. So you have all the freshmen, the sophomores, the juniors, the seniors, and then the totals along the sides. First part of it asks, if a survey participant is selected at random, what is the probability that he or she is satisfied with student government? Well, this is rather simple. All you have to do is take the total satisfied over the total surveyed and divide them, and you wind up with a proportion, or a percentage, if you will. Part B, very similar wording, but essentially it's asking, we'll just read it out loud. If a survey participant is selected at random, what is the probability that he or she is a junior? Similar structure here. Total number of juniors, total surveyed, divide them, you get a proportion. They're going to ask us to do it again. One more time, except it's with those who are satisfied and they are juniors, and you do the same thing. You find those that in the table that are satisfied and happen to be juniors. So that would be 68, as we could see in the table. And then that's out of the 404 that were surveyed. Sorry I didn't go up to the graph each time, but it's kind of self-explanatory, this problem, except for the last part, which seems maybe not counterintuitive, but definitely a bit of a challenge the first time you look at it. So let's move on to the last part. Okay, last part asks, if a survey participant is selected at random, what is the probability that he or she is satisfied or a junior? What an odd question to ask, but I think it's just to kind of get your brain stimulated there. But essentially, I wrote out, you use the general addition rule to find the probability. So what does that look like in the form of our question? Well, you take the probability, or the proportion that were satisfied, plus the proportion that are juniors, minus what we found out earlier, which was the proportion that were satisfied and juniors, and subtract it from those other two, and you wind up getting this. Hope you enjoyed.